Okay, this is gonna be ACS TRONIC-7.
I'm an old man now.
Do you understand that you're supposed to get in into that channel? Is that your alarm?
Aerial 1. And then we'll go do aerial 2 over here. We'll redo it. Okay. Redo aerial 2 over here. Okay. Now you have to really. Now we're gonna have to really zoom in. I don't know if you'll actually be able to see it, but yeah, I don't think y'all will be able to see it from right here. Like right there.
You jumping? Oh my goodness.
I don't know, y'all won't. I don't know, y'all might not be able to see it, but it's okay. Just leave it like that.
Over here. No, Audrey, not in there. That's muddy. Audrey, I'm gonna spank you. Oh no.
And there y'all go. I think we'll do air horn. Yeah, that was the first outside test of a TRONIC-7. It's also a really windy day as well, so very windy as you can see. But yes, there may be actual activations today. So yeah, see you in our next one.